you noticed something? Every time someone talks about AI, it's always the same tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. They're great, but they're only scratching the surface. Hidden beneath the headlines are dozens of incredible AI tools that can save hours of work, boost creativity, and even replace expensive software. Today, I'll show you 10 underrated AI tools that deserve way more attention. Let's get started. Number 1, we have Notebook LM. Imagine uploading an entire PDF, research paper, or meeting notes, and having an AI become an expert on your documents. That's exactly what Notebook LM does. Instead of searching the internet, it answers questions using only your files. Students can study faster, researchers can summarize papers, businesses can organize knowledge instantly. It even creates podcast-style audio summaries. It's like having a personal research assistant. Number 2, we have Napkin AI. Ever struggled to explain an idea visually? Napkin AI turns plain text into beautiful diagrams automatically. Just write your idea, and it creates flowcharts, mind maps, and presentation graphics in seconds. Perfect for teachers, students, startup founders, and content creators. No design skills needed. Next, we have Gamma. Making PowerPoint presentations usually takes hours. Gamma changes that. Describe your topic, and it generates an entire presentation complete with layouts, images, and formatting. Need edits? Just tell the AI what to change. It's one of the fastest ways to build professional-looking slides. Number 4, 11 Labs. Need realistic AI voices? 11 Labs creates voices that sound surprisingly human. You can generate narration, clone your own voice, or translate speech into other languages while keeping the original voice style. Many YouTubers, audiobook creators, and developers already use it. At number 5, we have Ideogram. Most AI image generators still struggle with text inside images. Ideogram is different. It creates posters, logos, advertisements, and thumbnails with readable text. If you're a content creator or designer, this tool can save a huge amount of editing time. Number 6, Krea AI. What if you could create AI images in real time? Krea AI lets you adjust prompts while watching the image change instantly. Move sliders, add details, change styles, everything updates live. It's one of the most interactive AI art experiences available today. At number 7, we have Higgsfield AI. Creating cinematic AI videos is becoming easier. Higgsfield AI focuses on dynamic camera movements and stylish video generation. Instead of static clips, you get scenes that feel much more like real movie shots. It's especially useful for creators making short-form content and advertisements. Number 8, Whisper. Need accurate speech to text? Whisper is one of the best AI transcription models available. It supports many languages, works well with different accents, and can even handle noisy recordings. Great for podcasts, interviews, meetings, and subtitles. Number 9, we have Suno AI. Want to create original music without being a musician? Suno AI generates complete songs from simple text prompts. Choose a style, write a few words, and you'll get vocals, instruments, and lyrics generated automatically. It's a fun way to create background music or experiment with new ideas. And finally, Pinocchio. Installing AI software can be complicated. Pinocchio makes it much easier. It lets you install many popular open-source AI tools with just a few clicks. No complex terminal commands. No confusing setup. If you like experimenting with AI locally, this is worth checking out. AI is moving incredibly fast. While everyone is focused on the biggest names, some of the most useful tools are quietly changing how people work, learn, and create. The best part? Many of these tools have free versions you can try today. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering powerful AI tools before they become mainstream, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.